Name is Junior.
Junior?
Yeah.
You're from the Bluefields area?
Yes, man. All there, area behind the hills there.
Right. So
I was born and bred here.
So when Hurricane Melissa came here, tell us what the experience was like down here.
It's very bad. It's a very horrible experience. I think no one, well, to my investigation from a youth come up to speaking to the elders, I don't think no one like experienced such a horrific, horrible thing. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
Serious, you know?
So most of the homes got blown down?
Most of them.
Yeah?
Most house blown down because, like, you know, a lot of people here build board houses. So basically, you know, enough people homeless. Even me homeless right now, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
But because why I'm so a little bit stable, I'll go on with mine, but why I'm a little bit stable is because most people in the same situation are worse.
Right, so you
kind of
feel like you
maintain
stand out.
Yeah, let's maintain my composure and don't think like say, I am only the worst. I have people in a worse situation. Some people die, you know.
You know somebody who died?
Whole heap of people die. But just
that you know?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You're friends with?
Yes, people I know, I grow up with when, I mean.
It's hard to hear that.
Yes, man, so really, you know, affected. You know, affected.
So we're a couple months out now from the hurricane. What has the recovery been like so far?
Well, thank God to the people and the support we will get, like, you know what I mean, like from the charity and, you know, even enough people around. I think the hurricane really teaches us compassion, you understand? And like to share and look out for each other.
Right.
But may I tell you know, the help of God, you know,
right.
and the good peoples, you get me?
Right. So we're with the JAHJAH Foundation, as you can see, and you can see we're having a health fair here today.
Yes, and that is very good.
And how useful do you think a health fair is to this community?
It's very useful because, you know, like even before it's time, because you know, like most people in a poverty and stuff like that.
Right.
So basically it give a lot of people setbacks, you know what I mean?
Right.
So, you know, like a lot of people are going in a financial problem, and you know, so health is very important and one of the most expensive things. You know, health come first. So JAHJAH Foundation, give it up to you guys, you know what I mean? That is very thoughtful, and you know, it's going to help the people them forward. Even though the place is full up, maybe some people not hear about it. I saw it online, and I use the opportunity to bring my little daughter and also bring myself to get a clean teeth to get me. Now I get me check up my good, you know what I mean? I go to the doctor and stuff, but to just get a clean teeth, I know it's the dentist.
Dentist
fee,
today,
dentist fee, terrible, you know?
Right.
Anything in a medical, but you know, we're grateful, man, and it's a good thing, you know, we appreciate that.
Well,
to the
one
fullest.
thing I can say to you is that the community is very beautiful.
Yes, man.
It's
well,
beautiful
this is
and nice.
Yeah, well, yeah, man, and the people them too, because here Bluefields is a tourist destination as well, you know. They have guest houses if you notice, you know what I mean, the sightseeing, so you know, they utilize it for the tourists and things. So you know, you're gonna have, you know, you have beauty around here, and it was there before, but you know, like before people advanced. But I hope like since the storm and things break down, we just build back better and more, you know what I say? And stronger, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Well, thank you for coming out and thank you for talking to me, you know.
Yeah, man. Anytime. Big respect to JAHJAH Foundation.
Cool.
Bless up.
Thank you.